Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Witcher 3 Wild Hunt game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable quick sign casting within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Witcher 3 Wild Hunt game on your device, and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, while you are playing your game, if you wish to enable quick sign casting, then simply pause your game by pressing the escape button. And now go into Options. Within the Options page, click on Gameplay. And now you have various different settings, which also includes the quick sign casting. By default, this is set to standard casting, so you can just click on this toggle to set it to the quick casting mode. Then just press the escape button and your changes will be saved. And now you can enjoy your game with the quick sign casting option. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable the quick sign casting mode on the Witcher 3 Wild Hunt game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.